Hello everyone, this is Rahul from IHM Connect. In this video, let us learn how to use examination management in IHM Connect, which is one of the most important parts of any school system. This module is designed to help schools handle the entire examination process smoothly, accurately, and without paperwork. Using this module, you can do everything, starting from creating exams, generating hall tickets, entering exam marks, generating report cards, to adding activity and teacher remarks. Everything in one simple connected flow. In this video, I will walk you step by step through each submodule of examination management and show you how you can complete the entire examination process faster, easier, and error-free using IHM Connect. Start by navigating to the examination management and opening the exam creation page. First, select the required details such as academic year, class, section, and examination name from the drop-down menus. Always double-check the academic year and class section before proceeding to avoid duplicate or incorrect exam entries. If you are conducting a special or custom assessment, you can optionally enter a custom examination name in the provided field instead of selecting from the list. Next, click on Add Subject to begin adding the subjects to this examination. For each subject, enter the subject name. Choose the exam type, like if it is main exam or sub-exam. Then select the exam date and start time. Then enter the maximum marks for each subject. If you want to remove any subject, simply click on the remove button next to that row. Click on add subject to add multiple subjects to the particular exam. Enter the required fields for all the subjects. After all the required fields are entered for each subject, click on create test to save the examination setup for that particular examination. After exam creation, the exam will appear in the previous record section. Here you can see that for the second class, summative assessment 1 is added and all the subjects are added that you have created before. If you want to do any changes, you can click on edit or delete to do the required changes. This will ensure that your exams are created accurately and are fully ready for marks entry and report card generation once the examination is completed. If you want to create a copy of a previously created exam, enter the new exam name. Then from under copy from, select the exam you want to copy. Review the copied details, make any required changes, and click on create test to finalize the exam. Once the exam is created, you can navigate to the download hall ticket page where you can download the hall tickets for all the students. Here, select the class, section, and the exam name that you have created earlier from the drop-down menu. Then click on the generate button to create the hall tickets. Once the generation is completed, you can see the hall tickets for all the students that you have selected. You can click on print to save it as PDF or directly print the hall tickets from a printer that is available to you. In this way, you can download hall tickets for all the students of a class that you have selected. Now let us see how to enter marks once the examination is completed. You can navigate to the gradebook page in the examination module. Begin by selecting the class, section, exam. And in the subject, you can either select all the subjects or select a single subject and enter the marks for the selected subject. Based on the selected filters, a list of students will be displayed below. You will see dedicated fields to enter marks for each subject in the selected exam for each student. Subjects are shown only if they were added during exam creation, and they are shown according to the role that is assigned to the user, ensuring accuracy in data entry. Enter the marks in the respective fields for each student, and once it is completed, click on the Submit Marks button at the bottom of the page. Once click on the Submit button, all the marks will be submitted to the database. Once the marks are submitted, you can view total marks and percentage for each student. You can always edit the marks of students by clicking on the Edit button. For records or offline reference, you can also click on Print or download CSV to export the marks in a clear tabular form in PDF or Excel format. This way, Gradebook will help you in maintaining the marks of the students in every exam. Navigate to the report card generation page. Select the class, section, and examination name from the drop-down menus. At this stage, you will see two options: Publish Results. This allows you to directly publish the results to the parents. And the second option is Continue, which takes you to the report card creation and customization screen. This is the report card customization page. On the left side, you will find customization options, and on the right side, you will find a live preview of the report card. You can customize several sections of the report card. Under General Display, choose whether to show the student photo or not. You can change the border style, change the border width from here. By clicking on the Show Border Color options, you can change the border color from here. In the marks table, select whether to display main exams or sub-exams or both. You can change the subject order from here. Or if you want to show percentages and CGPA, you can select it from the grading system. From here, you can choose how results are displayed, whether as percentages, grades, CGPA, or any combination of these. When percentages and CGPA are selected, the system automatically calculates and displays them for each subject along with the overall percentage and CGPA at the bottom. You also have the option to enable grade color coding, where grades are shown based on predefined ranges. These percentage ranges and their corresponding colors can be adjusted anytime to match your school's evaluation standards. From here, you can edit the table styling. You can change the font, you can change the cell padding, like if you want to keep it spacious, compact or normal, you can change it from here. Here, you can change the header colors. By clicking on the Show Header Color options, you can change the color of the table header. In the Activities table, if the students are having any activities, you can choose whether to show them or not directly from here. And you can change the table styling for the activity table. From here, you can customize the attendance table. You can select how to display the attendance in graph or table. And you can select the months for which you want to display the attendance in the report card. You can change the table styling for the attendance table. As you make these changes, the preview updates in real time, helping you finalize the layout. Once you are satisfied with the settings and preview, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can choose Save Template if you want to reuse the same format in the future. Click on Generate PDF for all students to create report cards for the entire class. The system will automatically generate report cards in the school's official format and can be printed directly for report card distribution. Now, let's look at how to use Activity and Remarks page, which helps school record holistic student performance beyond academics. Navigate to the Activity and Remarks page, then select the class, section, and exam name from the drop-down menus. Begin by entering the activity name such as sports, debate, or speech giving, anything. Then add how do you want to evaluate the performance. You can choose remarks, marks, or audio-based remarks. When you click on marks, it will ask the maximum marks. Then a list of students will be shown and you can enter the marks for each student in that particular activity. When you click on remarks field will be displayed against each student below. You can enter feedback or observations based on the performance of the student in that particular activity. You can use audio-based remarks which are specially useful for oral or performance-based activities. Audio remarks provide a more personal touch and help parents better understand students' participation and performance. After completing the required details, click on Submit button at the bottom of the page to save the records. These activity scores and remarks can later be included in the report card by enabling the activity table in the report card settings. This feature ensures that co-curricular and extracurricular activities are documented clearly and presented professionally alongside academic results.